Meow. You're not very bright. Ah, here's my bright son. Is there something that you would like, Lincoln? Do you want a cookie? Hey, would you like a cookie? Oh, does Lincoln want to? Oh, yes, you do. Are you whining for a cookie? Can you sit? Can you lie down? Ready? Bam! Okay. Sit. Do you want a cookie? Yeah? Can I have a paw? Oh. Come here, sit. Turn around. Sit. Down. Bam. Okay. Want a cookie? Oh, eh? Do you want a cookie? Nice. I want to keep the fingers.